This is a study abroad fair, and it lets people know about different countries that have exchange programs with Yonsei that the students at Yonsei can go to. The advantages could be getting to know a person at a university that you want to go to, making friendships before you even go on the program.
Students have chance to talk to international students in person and ask any question they want to know.
Maybe they'll help you find a location or a university that fits what you want to get out of it.
책에서 읽거나 홈페이지에 나와 있는 정보 외에도 정말 많은 걸 알 수 있어가지고 좋았습니다.